Though staff have been the only ones allowed to walk the aisles at this garden centre in recent weeks, Green Thumb Canberrans have been keen to click and collect, a new way of operating which planted the seeds for a financial recovery.
It's certainly not where we would be if we were open, but at least we were able to get some money churning through the business.
But from tomorrow, they're preparing for an influx of customers when retail store capacity is lifted to one customer per 4 square metres.
It's plenty of room for people. The only thing we will control, obviously, is at the checkouts, where people do need to try and follow the social distancing and be a little bit patient.
Though for the smaller stores it'll be more of a squeeze, it's still a welcome change from online or appointment-based browsing.
When we opened for private shopping on Friday, people were so excited. It was one at a time. We had people still wanting to come through. So that was a glimpse of what we're to expect, I suppose, when we open.
Have they said when they're open yet?
But not all are so sure they'll be able to patch things back together so soon.
The first one we had was the smoke, where people weren't coming out, and then we had the bushfires, then we did COVID last year, and now we've just done, I think it's 9 weeks in lockdown. We've probably lost, well, we're down probably 90% of our annual, our income, and 60% of that is classes.
This morning, Claire heard they'd been approved for the ACT's Business Support Grant scheme.
Because we were approved so late, and we're opening tomorrow, we've only just got the approval. We've been doing things like click and collect, but they're our staples, and I don't have any staples left. But I can't order because you need to pay up front.
They're not alone in their frustration, though the government says the number of businesses that haven't been paid is comparatively small. 970 applications are still being processed, with 528 businesses needing to provide the government with more information. But more than 9,600 businesses have now been paid to the tune of $252 million, with less than 200 applications denied since the scheme opened. The government is confident they'll see a V-shaped economic recovery driven by pent-up demand and boosted by Christmas shopping. And though further changes to restrictions are unlikely before October 29, they're hoping they've struck the right balance between setting rules Canberrans can live with and negating the risks of the further spread of the virus. And that risk is all too real for 21 people now being treated for COVID-19 in the capital's hospitals, the highest number this outbreak, including 10 in intensive care. There were 28 new cases recorded in the ACT overnight. Harry Frost, ABC News, Canberra.